Struggling to find an all-in-one 3D creation suite? You're not alone. Many artists and designers face the same challenge, spending countless hours searching for the perfect software that can handle all their creative needs. The frustration of juggling multiple programs, each with its own learning curve and limitations, can be overwhelming. Imagine the time and energy wasted on trying to master different interfaces, only to find that none of them quite meet your expectations. It's a common plight in the creative community, and it can stifle your artistic flow. But what if I told you there's a solution that's not only comprehensive but also free? Yes, you heard that right. Say hello to Blender, the ultimate 3D creation suite that has taken the creative world by storm. Imagine discovering a tool that offers professional-level features without the hefty price tag. Blender is not just another software, it's a game changer. It opens up a world of possibilities for artists, designers, and creators of all kinds, providing them with the tools they need to bring their visions to life. Blender is more than just software, it's a revolutionary 3D creation suite built by a passionate community of artists, developers, and enthusiasts. This collaborative spirit is what sets Blender apart, fostering an environment where creativity and innovation thrive. The community-driven development ensures that Blender evolves with the needs of its users, making it a dynamic and ever-improving tool. This sense of community is palpable, with users from around the globe contributing their expertise and ideas to make Blender better every day. Whether you're modeling intricate characters, sculpting detailed environments, texturing assets with precision, or animating fluid movements, Blender's got you covered from start to finish. Its versatility is unmatched, catering to a wide range of creative disciplines. Why choose Blender over other software? Because it offers a seamless experience, allowing you to focus on your creativity rather than the technicalities. Blender's intuitive interface and powerful tools make it easy to bring your ideas to life, no matter how complex they may be. It's an all-in-one solution, eliminating the need for multiple software packages. No more switching between different programs to complete a single project. Blender integrates all the tools you need into one cohesive platform, streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity. This integration means you can work more efficiently without the hassle of transferring files between different programs or dealing with compatibility issues. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, making the creative process smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, it's free and open source, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. This democratization of technology empowers artists from all walks of life to bring their visions to life. The open source nature of Blender also means that anyone can contribute to its development, ensuring that it remains cutting edge and relevant. This openness fosters a sense of ownership and pride among users who know that their contributions can help shape the future of the software. With constant updates and a strong support community, you'll never be left behind. The Blender community is known for its helpfulness and generosity, offering a wealth of tutorials, forums, and resources to help you master the software. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and explore. The community's commitment to education and support ensures that you have the resources you need to succeed, no matter where you are in your creative journey. Dive into features like dynamic topology sculpting, which allows for detailed and flexible modeling, and node-based texturing, which offers unparalleled control over your materials and textures. These advanced tools give you the freedom to create complex and realistic models with ease. Blender's robust feature set means you can tackle any project, no matter how ambitious, with confidence and precision. And let's not forget about physically based rendering with Cycles, Blender's powerful rendering engine. Cycles delivers stunningly realistic images by simulating the physical properties of light and materials, whether you're rendering a single frame or an entire animation. Cycles ensures that your work looks professional and polished. The quality of the renders produced by Cycles is on par with, if not superior to, those created by expensive proprietary software. Whether you're creating assets for games, visualizing architecture, or animating your next short film, Blender can do it all. Its versatility makes it the go-to choice for a wide range of industries, from game development and film production to architectural visualization and product design. Blender's adaptability means it can meet the needs of any project, no matter the scale or complexity, making it an invaluable tool for professionals across various fields. Join the millions of artists who have discovered the power of Blender. This thriving community is a testament to Blender's impact and effectiveness. By choosing Blender, you're not just selecting a piece of software, you're joining a global network of creatives who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The collective knowledge and experience of the Blender community are at your disposal, providing you with inspiration, support, and collaboration opportunities. It's time to bring your 3D visions to life without breaking the bank. Blender's affordability doesn't compromise its quality. In fact, many professionals prefer Blender over expensive alternatives because of its robust feature set and continuous improvements. Ready to get started? Blender's cost-effectiveness means you can invest more in your projects and less in software, allowing you to allocate resources where they matter most. Download Blender today and transform your creativity into reality. With Blender, the only limit is your imagination, so why wait? Dive into the world of 3D creation and see what you can achieve with this incredible tool at your fingertips. The journey to mastering Blender is an exciting adventure filled with endless possibilities and opportunities to grow as an artist. Embrace the challenge and discover the true potential of your creativity with Blender.
If your animations look like cardboard cutouts, you're a newbie. Let's fix that. First up, always start with a solid storyboard. It's like building a house. You need a blueprint. Without it, you're just guessing. Next, remember the magic of keyframes. Think of them as the cornerstones of your animation. They set the foundation for all your movements, making them smooth and coherent. Now, ever heard of easing? It's the secret sauce that makes motions look natural. Picture it like this. Instead of a robot, your character moves like a human, with fluidity and grace. Cool, right? Here's a fun one: squash and stretch. It's not just for cartoons, it adds personality and life to your characters, making them more relatable. Don't forget lighting. Good lighting can turn a plain scene into a masterpiece. Think of it as the Instagram filter for your animation. Finally, keep it simple. Too many details can make things messy and overwhelming. Focus on the essentials and watch your animations come to life. So grab your mouse and get animating. Your masterpiece is just a few clicks away. Dive in and start creating.
In this chapter, we will delve deeper into advanced 3D animation techniques, including rigging, texturing, and rendering. Stay tuned for some expert tips and tricks. First, let's talk about rigging. Think of it as creating the skeleton for your character. Without a solid rig, your animations will lack realism and fluidity. Imagine trying to move without bones. Impossible, right? A well-constructed rig ensures that your character moves naturally and convincingly. Next up, texturing. This is where your character gets its skin, clothes, and any other surface details. It's like painting a sculpture. The key here is to use high-quality textures and pay attention to the details. Even the smallest texture can make a big difference in the final look of your animation. Remember, realism is in the details. Finally, we arrive at rendering. This is the process of generating your final image or animation from the 3D model. Think of it as taking a high-definition photo of your scene. Rendering can be time-consuming, but the results are worth it. A good render can transform your animation from good to breathtaking. So there you have it, rigging, texturing, and rendering. Master these techniques and you'll be well on your way to creating professional-grade animations. Keep experimenting and pushing your limits. The world of 3D